Making some new improvements to the camper. We're going to get rid of that frosted glass on the front and put tinted glass up there. We won't have to put that Reflectix in the window anymore because this has built-in shade. Here's a deep question for you.
What's that?
If you take the 2003 Jayco Qwest and you replace all the parts with new parts,
You have a new RV?
Is it still a 2003 Jayco Qwest?
I'm going to say yes. But it's ours.
That's what I'm saying. Is it the same? Is it the same camper?
Yes, it's just upgraded.
Say bye-bye frosted glass.
Bye-bye frosted glass.
As we start getting ready with our vintage Jayco Qwest here, there's 3 RVs that I really want to tell you about that are brand new this year that has some very unique features that I think you'd be interested in. So watch this.
The first travel trailer I want to tell you about is the Salem 29 View. One of the things that makes this very unique is the hidden bunk room.
Talk about this.
There's a lot of things I do like about this. I like the kitchen a lot. I love this. I love the couch.
Yeah.
I'm not crazy about the bunk room. I feel like it's a little claustrophobic.
Well, it's
a lot claustrophobic.
It's for the kids anyway. They don't care. This has got a hidden room back here.
Which I don't care about.
Those 2 bunks right there will fold down right over here, and it's got a little workstation right here. But this, you know, the room disappears behind a closed
and
door.
decor-wise, this is beautiful.
Yeah. Well, I mean, I love the space. I love the back windows. See, that's what I want more than anything is a back window view, because that's where everything's at.
Yeah.
Whenever you park somewhere. Mm-hmm. You know, but
I mean, as far as how it's decorated and all of that, I like that there is a walk-around bed.
Yeah. And this
scoot around it at least.
Well, this bed adjusts. This bed goes up.
And there is washer-dryer hookup in this.
Oh, really?
Yeah. There is a washer-dryer hookup right here. You could put a stack set there.
It's on an air conditioning system up there.
There's 2 of them.
So it's got 2. It's dual AC. Nice bathroom. I could live with this, you know.
Sleeping.
But look at this. Look at this.
Yeah, I saw that too.
Look at all that storage underneath there.
For kites and.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, it's got another storage bin over here. This replaces anything that was be underneath the dinette.
Well, you still got some nice.
This one's got a cabinet over here.
Yeah.
It's got enough counter space to have.
Well, and you've got this too, so all your dry goods would go in here.
That's the pantry, and this would be for your dishes.
Yeah.
So this one's got. Oh, look at that, baby.
Trash, and I bet the trash can would go in here. Yep.
You can.
I like it.
I'm starting to like this.
I like it better being in it the second time. Because initially I totally vetoed this.
Mm-hmm.
I do like it better giving it a second glance.
Instead of the traditional dinette, this RV provides seating for 4 along the extended counter space in the kitchen area. And there's plenty of elbow room for a family of 4 on the extremely large sofa. With an unloaded vehicle weight of 8,001 and a cargo carrying capacity of 1,809, this thing still weighs less than 10,000 pounds. That's not bad for a 33-foot travel trailer.
Already got the new window in. This took 10 minutes. Wouldn't you say? But I think it looks much nicer.
Alright, this is a lot better now. Now we got built-in shade that comes down. We can actually see through the glass, so we can actually see who's there. You don't like this thing?
No, it's worn out.
We're done with it.
Well, it's been there since we got the camper.
Yeah, it is worn out, and it collects a lot of dirt. So we're getting rid of it. This catch-all is called its last. So
This is cool. It's got a dishwasher.
it's got a dishwasher.
The next travel trailer I want to tell you about is the Timberwolf 16ML, which stands for Mini Loft. This travel trailer is one of a kind for sure. But it's not the loft or the back porch that makes this thing unique. It's not even the dishwasher or the extremely large bathroom. What makes this travel trailer really unique is the fact that this thing only weighs about 7,100 pounds. With a gross max volume weight of over 11,000 pounds, this thing has a huge cargo carrying capacity of 4,131 pounds. This travel trailer is only as long as a mini camper, but it's as tall as a tractor trailer. So even though this will be easier to turn, you're going to have to watch out for those low clearances. Another thing to consider is if you're the kind of person that gets up in the middle of the night to go to the bathroom, you might want to sleep on the sofa bed. Even though this thing does have a really large cargo carrying capacity, there is no undercarriage storage, so everything that you carry would either have to go out on the porch or in the storage area above.
For a surge protector.
We came in for a surge protector and got all this other stuff too. Dangerous thing at Camping World, please. Why do we do it?
Because it's fun.
Got a fan. This is going to be put in the Tajma tent. This is essential but expensive.
And we will go over our new gear with you.
New gear.
It's time to prep.
The last travel trailer I want to tell you about comes from Brinkley, which is pretty new in the RV world. In fact, this travel trailer is so new it's not even out on the market yet. It plans to launch next month. The floor plan you're looking at now is the Model ZAir 295 by Brinkley. In order to provide more seating in the living area, this does not have the traditional dinette. Instead, it has a removable table that attaches to the sofa and is easily stored in the arm of the sofa. The configuration of the bunk room is a real space saver, giving the kids a private space without impeding on the living area. With a gross max volume weight of 11,495 pounds and a unloaded vehicle weight of 9,168 pounds, that makes a cargo carrying capacity of 2,327 pounds, which is great for a travel trailer of this size. Since this thing is not on the market yet, I have no pictures or video to show you, but if you go to the Brinkley website, there is a 3D model that you can explore.
You can actually see out the window now. Southwire surge guard.
This is what was recommended to us by Camping World.
This is extremely expensive. for at least for me.
It was about $300, but she said the cheaper models were getting returned. Is what we were told.
Yeah.
I know. Alright, wait, Trish. I don't know. I don't know about these things. Picture me.
I like that one. Farmers market's always a lovely thing to do on a weekend. We didn't spend a lot of money there. Farmers market's nice. Now we're headed to Camping World, which is right across the street, because I got to return this surge protector that doesn't work. That's my wife. I love her. She's awesome.